Welcome to Wi-Fi Wisdom. TP-Link Wi-Fi Extender. TP-Link Wi-Fi Extender Setup Manual Method, with Ethernet Cable. 1. Power on your TP-Link Wi-Fi Extender. 2. Then, buy an Ethernet cable, connect it to your computer. 3. Launch any web browser and in the URL box, type 192.168.0.254. You will, now, be able to see a TP-Link web page. 4. Choose Quick Setup and then click on Next. 5. Select your region and then click on Next. 6. Now, your TP-Link extender will search for wireless networks. Sometimes, this process goes on for a couple of minutes. 7. Look for your wireless network in the list and then select it. 8. Type the wireless password, whenever it asks. 9. Now, if you want to create a single larger wireless network, then select Copy from the main router. If you want to create a different network, then select Customize. 10. Click on Next. 11. A final window will appear on your screen. Review the network settings and click on Finish if all the info is correct. Thanks for watching.